Nature is rational. Universal law number 2. Nature is rational. See this little tree right here? It's got some marks on it up about this high, all the way down. Last night, when I was out making some steaks, not the kind you cook, but the kind you whittle and put in the ground, I saw this little buck. Must have been about a year old. He had some velvet left on his horns, and he came over here to this tree, and he's getting ready to rut. Good on him. He has no idea why, but his biological imperative compels him to get out there and compete. That imperative is a rational feeling. The sense of propagation is universal. It's universal. There is no escaping it.